Welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to home for many of us: affordable alternatives to high end furniture. Now,
Absolutely. With rising living costs, it's important to find ways to make our spaces beautiful without breaking the bank.
right, so let's start with the basics. What's your go to tip for finding affordable furniture, Jamie?
I love checking out thrift stores and flea markets. You can often find unique pieces that can be restored or repurposed.
Great idea. I've found some amazing mid century chairs at thrift shops. A little polish, and they look brand new.
Exactly. And you can often negotiate prices, which is a bonus.
For sure. Another avenue I suggest is online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. You can score fantastic deals from people moving or redecorating.
Yes, just make sure to meet in a public place for safety and always inspect the item before buying.
Good tip. Speaking of safety, what about quality? How do you ensure you're getting something that will last?
Look for solid wood or sturdy materials. Avoid things that feel flimsy. And if it's a used item, check for any major wear and tear.
That's smart. Also, don't shy away from flat pack furniture from stores like IKEA. They can be stylish and functional if you assemble them right.
Absolutely. Plus, those modular pieces are great for small spaces. You can mix and match to fit your style.
And if you're feeling crafty, consider DIY projects. You can transform basic furniture with some paint or new hardware.
Yes, a fresh coat of paint can completely change the vibe of a piece. I once turned an old dresser into a chic TV stand.
That sounds awesome. It's all about creativity. What about accessories? They can really elevate a space without a huge investment.
Totally. Adding throw pillows, rugs, and wall art can make a huge difference. You can find affordable options at home goods stores.
And don't forget plants. They're a great way to bring life into any room, and they often don't cost much.
Exactly. Plus, they can improve air quality too. So, you get style and health benefits.
Before we wrap up, what's one last tip you'd give our listeners?
Take your time. Don't rush to fill your space. Collect pieces you truly love, and it will feel more personal.
I love that. Remember, creating a beautiful home doesn't have to be expensive. It just takes a bit of creativity and patience.
Well said. Thanks for tuning into Design Talk today. We hope these tips help you create a stylish home on a budget.
Catch you next time, everyone.